What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So I went to hop on Twitter this morning. I haven't been on Twitter in over a week. And I opened it up and it was loading. And then it told me the website is not available. I'm like, what is going on here? So I do a little Google search of my vacation location. And it says on June 5th, 2021, the Nigerian government officially put an indefinite ban on Twitter. Cool beans. That's really awesome. The one thing I didn't look into before my trip is has the country banned Twitter, and apparently they have, but that's okay. We will make do. Just follow me on Instagram, stay up to date with my personal life, and you can also check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. So we're sitting at 31,745. We're down almost 1% on the day. I'm just gonna close the window, guys, because it's pretty noisy up in here. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the family is healthy. Whoa. Just bumped my camera. And we're back to the price is right. Come on down. Well, the price isn't right yet, but we're going to get there soon. So we're sitting at a market cap of 595 billion. And the 24-hour volume here is 18.87 billion. So let's hop into it, guys. So yesterday I talked about this little falling wedge pattern, and we have had a breakout, but I did not enter a long position simply because I don't trust the uptrend right now. I don't trust these breakouts because we've had so many fake outs. So I decided to wait to see if we break this level of support, which is now turned into resistance at 32,492. Because there's always a possibility, and we've been seeing it for over a month now, where we break out of patterns and then we just fall right back down into them. We're in a downtrend. We're still seeing low volume. So I think it's important to be extremely cautious when you're entering your long trades. And if you want to learn how to long and short Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins, please check out my full length tutorial. And make sure to sign up to Bybit, where you can get up to $600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. You get $50 just for your first deposit. No KYC required. Super easy, guys. So just wanted to make you guys aware of that little bit of a breakout. However, as I've been saying, we're still seeing low volume. We're in a downtrend. We're under the EMAs on the daily here. If we do pop it over to this chart here, we can see we are still consolidating within our falling wedge. We're still seeing our bullish divergence on the RSI, on the MACD. And you can see we're continuing to hit the resistance of our falling wedge pattern. So what may happen is we come down and we bounce off this level of support. We may see a breakout here, but if we don't, we can continue to consolidate, and maybe we come down to retest 28K once again, and then we see our bounce. Because if we were to break that, I believe our next level of support here is around 26K. Drop this in here. If I put it into the 4-hour chart, it will be more visible for you guys. Yeah, this swing low here would be our target, which is right around 26K. If we were to lose 28K, but what I'm hoping is this is our true bottom here, and if we do come back down to retest it, we see that bounce. We see that reversal to the upside that we've all been waiting for. We're seeing strong signals. We're seeing retail investors continuing to buy Bitcoin here. We're seeing the whales are loading up. We're seeing extreme fear in the market. We're seeing bullish divergences. So all these are strong signals that we're going to see a reversal in the trend. And of course, our technical target from our falling wedge here is back up at 41K. So just be patient, guys. This is really the major pattern that you want to keep your eye on. If we do see that breakout, that's a massive trade opportunity for Bitcoin. If we see it backed up by some volume, it's basically a 28% move for Bitcoin. So massive move that we're waiting for here. Now, there is one thing I wanted to make you guys aware of, which is the DXY. It looks like the DXY may be coming back up to test this level of resistance, or it's either going to come up, test this level of resistance, and come back down to test the level of support, or it's going to create a lower high and then we'll come down. And when the price of the DXY starts to fall, that's when we'll see the price of Bitcoin start to rise and break out of this pattern. But as of right now, we can see the DXY is continuing to rise and maybe coming up to test that level of resistance here. And that's when you'll see Bitcoin start to come down to these levels of support at 30K and possibly come back down to retest 28K as well. Always important to watch the DXY, the US dollar currency index. When the price is rising, the price of Bitcoin is falling. And when the DXY is falling, the price of Bitcoin is rising. So I just wanted to make you aware of that little bit of a breakout. But honestly, I don't trust it. I wouldn't start entering long trades until we broke 32,492, held a strong level of support, and I saw some reversal patterns backed up by some strong volume. Then I would start entering some longs, but most of my trades here have been shorts as we are in a downtrend. So we'll end the video here with some future price targets. Let's put it up here on the weekly. This is always fun to do. If this is our true bottom, if we don't break 28K, then we can give some future price targets based off the Fibonacci. Go from your swing high down to your swing low. If this is your true bottom, we'll give the 1.414, which is up at 89K, and we'll give the 1.618, which is up here at 105K. If that is our true bottom, if we do come down to 26K, then you would simply take your Fibonacci down a little bit, and your price targets would move up a little bit. You'd move up to about 112K. So I do think a breakout is imminent. I know it's getting a little bit frustrating continuing to hear that and not seeing that breakout, but we're seeing so many strong signals that is pointing us towards a reversal in the trend. And you can see we're coming very, very close to breaking out of this pattern. So what we want to see here is we break out to the upside. It's backed up by some volume and we head back up to 41K. We break 42K, which was such a major level of resistance, and we continue here on this bull run. All right, guys, so make sure to claim up to your $600 in bonuses for signing up to Bybit. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.